Well, hello there. It's Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, coming at you with another live video. Free stock market advice for 2021. Now, do me a favor before I get started. Click that subscribe button so every single time I post a video here, you'll know about it. Now, let's talk about some of the skills that you're going to need for 2021. Now, you know I've been on YouTube for a long time. I've helped many of you become better traders and stock market investors. So you know when I post a video like this, I really mean it. All right, there's three things I want you to think about with your trading. The first is you're going to have to know this year the difference between top line revenue and net revenue on the balance sheet or an abbreviated income statement. Why? Because we're in the middle of the digital economy right now, right? So there are a lot of stocks that are going to race up and then they're going to miss on top line revenue, mostly on a quarterly basis, and then they're going to give, right? So we've seen that happen in stocks like Zoom, where it hits a high and then out of nowhere, the stock just kind of pulls back, right? So I don't want you to get caught in these high flying stocks because you think you're going to make a lot of money. With high and flying stocks, always comes something called reversals. And then generally after a reversal, you're looking for retracement, but we don't always get retracement. Number two, you're gonna have to understand and balance your portfolio with stocks that are very aggressive, like Zoom, for example, and stocks that pay a dividend. So just kind of follow me here. If your job is to grow the value of your account, you're going to use some trading skills, you're going to use some investing skills, right? The stocks that you're investing in and holding for the long term should pay a dividend. Why? Nothing personal with you, but institutions that own those shares love dividends. That means they are less likely to sell the stock off if something negative happens geopolitically, okay? So this idea of balancing your portfolio with what? Stocks that pay a dividend and stocks that don't, necessary for the next 52 weeks so you don't wipe out all of your account with these high flyers. The third thing that I wanted to talk to you about as we get started this year is forward-looking statements. So after a company that's publicly traded actually announces its earnings, the next thing it's going to announce to you is this is where we're spending our money in the future, and this is our revenue guesstimate for the next couple of quarters. Now, a lot of people like to buy high-flying stocks, and without that financial education, they're like, who needs to listen to the company? But when a company starts talking about more cloud services, vertical integration, you as the investor, you have to know what that means, okay? So I spent my whole time with you demystifying the stock market, breaking it down to very simple pieces so you're able to understand how this all sort of kind of comes together. So remember, in the next 52 weeks, you need to hold stocks that pay a dividend, pay attention to that top line and that net revenue after all expenses, and you must pay attention to forward-looking statements. So we all get excited about trades, and I like making a lot of money, and you like making a lot of money, but make sure you're using the right tools. Now, as always, if you want to learn a little bit more about stock market trading or follow my trades, head on over to thewealthyinvestor.net. And if you haven't gotten the free ebook by now, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free, 100% free. All right, I just wanted to post a video so that we kick off the next 52 weeks together with optimism, and we know that we have a lot to look forward to if we use the right tool. I'm Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye now.